Blessed are those that can give without remembering and take without forgetting. People give gifts as a way of showing thoughtfulness, love, and affection. Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great and having fun in your busy life. In this video, I'm going to be showing a cute DIY gift idea, and the best part is that it is best out of waste too. So let's get started. So first things first, found an empty box and cover it beautifully and show your skills by wrapping the box neatly. When we give gifts, it brings joy or pleasure to the receiver. It can also help strengthen the bond between partners, show appreciation and love, create cherished memories, and even boost one's overall well being. Do you love chocolates? If yes, comment your favorite chocolate. And of course, I do love chocolates. So, at first, I started sticking it through glue tape, but it was not a good idea as they were easily coming off. Then, I decided to use double sided tape instead of glue tape, and it was a success. So, arrange the chocolates and stick them on the outside of the box, like me. And as you can see, I have taken 5 star. You can choose it according to you, and you should keep in mind what one likes and dislikes when preparing a gift. Happiness doesn't result from what we get, but from what we give. And money is not the only thing that is fun to give. We can give time, we can give our expertise, we can give our love, or simply give a smile. What does that cost? The point is, none of us can ever run out of something worthwhile to give. You can use expensive chocolates as well, and we know that no one has ever become poor from giving. And remember that the happiest people are not those getting more, but those giving more. After sticking chocolate successfully, I kept a tissue paper inside. You can use any colorful paper or any kind of paper of your choice. Then add lots of candies inside the box. I have used Melody, and it is totally up to you. You can use it according to your preference. Now it's time to express your feelings into words beautifully. For that, I have taken a piece of paper and written, "You are as sweet as this box of candies." And of course, you can write anything. Do write a sweet note for your loved ones and show them how much they matter to you and how important they are in your life. Keep it inside the box and close the box. And now let's decorate the top of the box. As I wanted it to look cute and simple at the same time, I just went with a big bow. It is easily available in the market and easy to make it too. People are blessings of life. If you have your near and dear ones, express your love and care towards your relationship, whether it is with your family, especially your parents, because you are on the planet because of them, and your siblings, of course, if you have them, because after parents, they are your true best friends who will be true to you on your face, and other important members in your life, like your partner and kids. And how can I forget pets? Take very good care of yourself and your loved ones. And don't forget your neighbors as well. So that's all for this video. Hope it's helpful to you. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Simra DIY. Thanks for watching and keep smiling. If you want more gift ideas, you can check my channel. Bye.